Welcome to Tally Help videos. In this video, you will learn how to take backup of company data in Tally Prime. Backup is a copy of your business information such as transactions, masters, and settings under F11 and F12 stored in a Tally Prime company. It is important to take data backup to avoid data loss due to a virus attack or a hard disk crash. You can also share backups with your accountant and other stakeholders or take with you to work from home. If you are an accountant, you can share the backup with your client after all the verification and adjustment. We recommend that you take the backup in a pen drive or any external device so that your backup remains safe. You can take the backup of company data either daily or multiple times in a day based on the number of transactions or any other factor relevant to your business need. Let us see how to take the backup of your company data. In Tally Prime, click Data on the top menu or press Alt-Y. Select Backup and press Enter. Now, under Backup Destination path, specify the folder in which you want to save the backup. You may copy and paste the folder path or select the folder using Select from Drive. At a time, you can save backup to only one location. Name the folder with date so that you can easily identify the backup that you may want to restore later. Press Enter twice and the folder will be selected. Now, under company name, select one or more companies you want to backup. Go to Specify Path. Paste the folder path where the company is located, or you may select the folder using Select from Drive. Press Enter twice. You can now see the company name displayed. Similarly, you can select other companies from the same folder or any other folder. You may also select all items and press Enter if you want to select all the companies in a particular folder. Once you have selected the required companies, select End of List and press Enter. Press Y to accept. If the backup files of any selected company is already available in the backup destination folder, then Tally Prime will display a message. You can continue if you want to overwrite the data. However, it is recommended that you take the backup in a different folder rather than overwriting. After completing the backup in the backup destination folder, you can see one file for each company for which you have taken backup. Notice that the backup file name has the company number for easy identification. Such file names start with TBK and end with 001. If you have taken the backup on your computer, it is better to save a copy in a pen drive, any external device or mailbox. You can share these backup files with others through email, pen drive or Google Drive or by any other means that you prefer. As you saw, it is very simple to take backup of company data in Tally Prime. Thank you. For more information, visit help.tallysolutions.com.